Subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Here's how to make this birthday photo collage. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in our description. Import your photos on InShot. Trim the duration of the photos to the beat of the music. Tap PIP, select Materials, Green Screen, and pick out the birthday material. Tap Cutout and Chroma to remove the background. Adjust the strength and pinch and drag to resize it as well as scale it. Tap Image, Animation, pick the animation you prefer, and you have a cool birthday collage to remember your special day. Will you try this birthday material? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to InShot on our socials.